Have a nice ball, you stupid bitch.
There's a brand new product. Get a brand new. That feeling when knee surgery is tomorrow. Whopper! Right now. Get it from McSilly's. Right now. Right now. Right now. So the challenge is to get you a burger. But how is that Christmas related? Ding, 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 ding. What's that in your eye? Okay, where is the stupid McSilly's? I can't find it anywhere! That's it. Looking montage. Where'd this dramatic music come from? Huh? No! Boom. Boing, boing. Hell yes.
Plus, you do it.
Did someone say plus?
Что добиваться будешь год. Я догадываюсь, что добиваться будешь год.
Hi guys, welcome to 5 Minute Arts and Crafts. First you're going to put an egg in the microwave and then boom, you go on McSilly's chicken nugget. No. Where are we going to get a Mc... Oh! Yay, do. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Sigma, Sigma, boy.